Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. Suppose you use Yarn or you want to use Yarn and you received a project that is using NPM. Now what can you do? You can use Yarn for an app that was using NPM. There is a migration guide at Yarn website. Check this out. First, Yarn should be installed in your system. Check version of Yarn. This is the app that I've got. I am using Git for Windows and that gives me Git bash. Right click Git bash here and then this is my terminal yarn-v and this is the version for Yarn that I have got installed in my operating system. And then just run command yarn. And that's it. So it had got a package-log.json file. Now it has also got yarn file. And now you can use Yarn with this project. You may have to adjust commands for Yarn that were using NPM before. For example, this command will be yarn install now. And we can run. We have got this index.js that is using moment package to just console log this date. Let's try this. Yarn, this is the command yarn go, that will run index.js, yarn run go, and it is working. This is the date that is being printed. So a project that was using NPM can be used with Yarn. Just run yarn and that's it. Also check out these alternatives. NPM commands alternative for Yarn. So for NPM install, to install any package, NPM install package name, you will use yarn add and then package name. This is the command npm install package -- save and yarn add package name. And this is npm install that was to install packages and modules, and we can use yarn add or just yarn. And then for dev dependencies, it was npm install package -- save -dev. For dev dependency, this package will be installed as dev dependency by using npm. And for yarn, you use yarn add package name and then -- dev to install it as a dev dependency. And then as an optional dependency, this was the command for npm and this is now for yarn. And for global, to add a package globally, this was for npm with -- global flag, and for yarn, yarn global add package name. And npm update to update packages installed globally, this was the npm command, and now this is the yarn command, yarn global upgrade. npm and uninstall package name, yarn remove package name, uninstall remove. So look at this migration for npm guide and you will be set. Easy. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.